Alright, this will be the elevator at the Quality Inn by the Lake in Kissimmee, Florida. And it appears we got ourselves a General. GAL Jet Plus fixtures. Redone cab. Very slowly moving door. 3. Alright, here we go. Here we are on the 3rd floor. Door opens really slowly once it gets about halfway. Bumper doesn't seem to work, but thankfully this thing has lower sensors, so it didn't shut on me. Non-ADA phone. Physically it looks nice, but this thing's not in the greatest shape, but it's a low quality in what you expect. And then it goes up a little bit after it goes all the way down. It's like it sinks and then it goes back up and fixes itself. There it goes. That'll be it.